New from Starrett is the AVX550 multi-sensor vision system, the latest offering in large part video inspection. The AVX550 is the first vision system from Starrett to offer dual video inputs, allowing the user to inspect parts on the macro and micro levels without changing lenses or recalibrating. Ideal for use in QC labs, research, engineering, or manufacturing environments, the AVX550 is designed to measure large parts with intricate features or multiple parts simultaneously. The substantial granite base and bridge provide the system with superior stability and precision. The AVX550 offers the broadest range of optical configurations available to date from Starrett. Users can choose from dedicated 12:1 zoom optics of up to 310 times magnification and fixed or interchangeable large field of view telecentric optics on a 24-inch touchscreen monitor. Up to 7 channels of LED lighting provide workpiece illumination and video edge detection with exceptional clarity. Optional touch probe capability allows the AVX to seamlessly integrate multi-sensor measurement into the inspection process. MetLogix M3 software, equipped with a 24-inch touchscreen monitor and full CNC control, is intuitive and user-friendly, minimizing training time and ensuring accurate, repeatable results. A wide range of accessories are available from Starrett to enhance productivity, including workstations, part-holding fixtures, rotary indexers, and more. For more information or an application consultation, contact Starrett.